Good morning, Emilio. What are you eating?
Apple.
Yeah, and what else are you eating?
Look at.
Yeah, can you show us how you eat the yogurt? Great job eating that yogurt. What else is going on? Have you been singing? Do you want to sing?
Baby alone.
What other songs have you been singing? Have you been singing la dee da dee dum, la dee da dee dum? Amelia, what other songs have you been singing?
Did that look up?
You hear Dada coming? Say good morning, Dada.
Hey, buddy.
Nothing.
Yeah, I was asleep. Thanks for letting me sleep, guys.
What other songs have you been singing, Emilio?
You been singing other songs? What other songs?
The milk.
Yeah.
You want to say bye-bye to the camera? Say bye-bye.
Hey, Papa, camera.